Lumley House was one of the first houses built in Bright back in 1898. It has now been lovingly restored, blending period charm with modern luxuries for couples, groups or families to enjoy. With 4 bedrooms, 2 separate living areas and your own pool. Situated in a quiet central location, just a 3-minute walk to town. Staying at Lumley House opens the doors to endless vacation experiences, no matter what you want to do. Whether it be outdoor adventures, perusing the local shops and markets, or just enjoying reading a book by the fire. Are you looking forward to a holiday with your friends and family? We're looking forward to hosting you soon.